Just imagine how great it will be if you can build your entire business website within 5 minutes without writing a single line of code with the help of AI. Isn't it something great? And I'm not talking about any random website or weird looking website, but a professional looking and amazing website as you can see on my screen. And you can do that, like these kind of websites, other business pay $5,000 and $10,000 for this, but simply you can build this website in 5 minutes with the help of AI tool. You don't need to do any kind of coding, you don't need to hire any coder, you don't need to write anything. Simply build your website within 5 minutes, let the AI do the work, and upload this website, get your business up and running. Isn't it something cool? So let me show you how you can do that. But first, see what I built with for my business. So as you can see on the screen, this is the website I built with the help of this AI tool, and it's looking completely amazing, mind blowing. The text, the animations, you see these animations on the background, this beautiful video that's running, this beautiful gradient, the symbols, all right. These all things, the all text, the all cards built by the AI. So this whole website, which is looking so good, is designed by the AI. So here you see this contact information, this senders form, right? This footer where it's saying different pages name, customer support, e-commerce, automation, email marketing, right? About the company, about us, case studies, blog, career, contact, and here the menu is over here. The get started button is here. So what I ask AI to, like, simply I tell it a little bit about my business, what I do, and this build a complete business website. I did not AI tell even a single line of text as you can see on the screen, right? So as you see over here, this automate your business, save time and money. Like I did not give it any single text. This whole thing written by the AI itself. It's everything generated by the AI. You see, and it's not something random generated by the AI, but accurate for my business and my service that I do. And it's so good. Just if you look over it, it's looking so freaking good and so freaking amazing. Like entire text think by the AI and generated by the AI after checking the competitor websites, and it's looking super beautiful. Now, what I ask AI is simply few things. So let me show you how you can do that. So first you have to go to the website.bolt.new. This AI tool is freaking amazing. Here it will ask you what do you want to build. So here you can build either a website application or the mobile application, or even if you just want to build a website, you can do that as well. If you wanted to start your SaaS company, software as a service company, want to build some software, this tool can also help you with that. So I asked it simple, build a 3D website for my AI automation agency that helps online business to automate their daily repetitive tasks to save time, money, and increase their revenue. That's it. I did not say any other thing to this AI tool, and it built my complete website with the help of this much text, this much information, and write the content for me. If you go and use some other tools, like those can't do work like this. They put some random text but very weird websites based on some few random templates, but this is something revolutionary. Okay. So once you give it a text over here and click on submit, right, it will start building your website. So once you do that, first it will start writing the different kind of long codes. So you see over here it write the entire line of codes for me, and I was sitting seeing over here the code was written automatically by the AI. All right, everything will done by the AI. You don't need to do anything, you should simply see, sit and watch, right? So within a minutes of 5 minutes, it built the entire website over here. So you can see how sleek and beautiful this is looking. It have the menu, it have the logo, even the logo and the name generated by the AI. I did not give it. Automate AI, such a beautiful name it is, such a beautiful logo it is. Okay, that completely suits my business. Okay, and then this content, this design entirely is designed by the AI. Okay, now suppose for example if you don't like certain section over here, suppose you wanted to remove this section which is saying why choose AI automation. Okay, it will give different sections for your business based on what you do. It designed this for my business, but suppose if you wanted to remove particular part, you simply type over here like I don't want this, why choose AI automation section, remove that part, and simply you have to type that and click enter, and this AI will automatically remove that part. If you wanted to add something else, it can also do that. So you don't need to do anything. Simply as you talk a coder, you explain that what you want is similar to that. You simply explain in English or in whatever language you speak what you wanted to do, and this tool will do that for you without doing anything else. You don't need to explain much, it will do that. Okay, and this is how great it is. It will write the reviews as well, it adds the images as well, it creates the form and the contact information as well, right? So just go and use it. You don't need to pay thousands of dollars to the coders to create your website. Go and use this website to build your website right now. Okay, use this AI tool and build your website and launch your business right now. Most people wait because they don't know how they can create their website. They think that it will take too much time to get their website up, and they keep waiting for long. If you wanted to start freelancing, if you wanted to start your business, whatever you want to do, simply go and get this website up and running, so you don't make excuse but start making money right away. All right, so don't forget to first subscribe my channel, because I keep uploading the content about the AI tools, AI automations that will save you time, make you money, and help you to grow your business. Okay, so if you wanted to build, once you build this website, click on this deploy button, and then it will deploy your website on whatever platform you want. Okay, yes, just one thing, remember, you have to pay for a subscription which is called like starting plan $20. You can pay for that much and then start building your website right away. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this, and see you soon.